How to fix the issue where the Wi-Fi login page is not showing up on your computer. So if you're trying to connect to a public Wi-Fi, then you may need to go through a login page before you can connect to the internet. Now, if this page isn't popping up, there's a couple of things we can do. So first, just go and click on the three vertical dots in your browser and then click on Settings. Over on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and then scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects and click on this. Make sure sites can send pop-ups and use redirects is checked like this, and then you can try connecting to the Wi-Fi and check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the next solution is to open up the Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Next to View By, make sure Large Icons is selected and then click on Networking Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings in the left-hand side. You then need to right-click on your Wi-Fi and click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties, and then check the box next to use the following DNS server addresses. You now need to go and type in the following numbers, so type in 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, then press OK and close out of this window, and you can check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for Settings and click on this window. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, click on Reset Now, and then press Yes. You'll then need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, the login page should appear. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the Start menu, search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. You then need to type in ipconfig //flushdns and press enter. Then type in netsh int IP reset and then press enter. Now finally type in netsh winsock reset and press enter. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, the Wi-Fi login page should now be appearing. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.